If you are struggling to make your Instagram account private, in this video I will show you the fastest way to do that. But make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. Guys, first of all, open up Instagram app on your phone, and then you'll have to tap on your profile on the bottom right corner, and then you'll have to tap on those three lines on the top right corner. Now you'll be headed over to the settings. Now to make your account private, you'll have to tap on account privacy, and right here you'll be able to find an option of private account that is currently turned off, and it says when your account is public, your profile and posts can be seen by anyone or on or off Instagram, even if they don't have an Instagram account. And if you want to make your account private, you will have to tap on that option to toggle it on, and then tap on switch to private, and there you have your account is now a private account on Instagram. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button. It really supports the channel, and comment below if you got stuck anywhere. I'll definitely help you out.